Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to develop a PR strategy with teamwork.com, your go-to guide for 2025. The first step is to clarify your objectives. This means outlining what you want to achieve with your PR strategy. Is it to build brand awareness? Or maybe it's to manage a crisis? The reason we do this is to ensure that every action taken aligns with these goals, streamlining our efforts for maximum efficiency. Now that we've defined our objectives, let's move on to identifying our audience. It's crucial to know who we're communicating with to tailor our messages effectively. This helps us because it ensures that our PR efforts are targeted, increasing the likelihood of desired outcomes. Next up, we're going to conduct a thorough SWOT analysis. This means identifying our strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Let me explain why this matters. A SWOT analysis helps us understand our current position and what we need to improve. It gives us a clear picture of what's working, what's not, and where opportunities lie. Now, on to the fourth step, crafting key messages. This is about determining what we want to say and how we want to say it. These messages should reflect our objectives and resonate with our identified audience. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. We're creating a narrative, a story that will engage our audience and convey our brand's values and goals. Finally, using teamwork.com's features, we're going to plan and execute our PR activities. Remember, teamwork.com offers a suite of tools to help manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate with team members. By leveraging these tools, we can ensure that our strategy is implemented effectively and efficiently. In conclusion, developing a PR strategy with teamwork.com involves clarifying your objectives, identifying your audience, conducting a SWOT analysis, crafting key messages, and planning and executing your PR activities. Each step is crucial as they collectively contribute to the effectiveness of your PR efforts. And that's it for today's tutorial. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work, and with teamwork.com, your PR strategy is sure to shine. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.